Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Shraddha here and I'm back with one more strategy to make math easier for you. I hope you all have seen my previous video of multiplication with 11. If you have not, kindly go to the video, the link is in the description box. Now back to today's topic. I have noticed that many children struggle a lot while learning their times table. In today's video, I am going to share with you how to learn times table easily in less than 2 minutes. Are you all ready? Let's get started. Okay, so as we all know that multiplication is nothing but repeating addition, right? Repeating addition means adding the same number many times. That's how we form a multiplication statement. Let's take one example. Suppose I have a 3 and I am adding that 3, let's say 4 times. So the same number I have added 4 times. So I can write this as 4 times 3, which is equal to 12. Now how that is equal to 12? Because there are 4 3's. If you add 2 3's, you get a 6. Another 2 3's gives a 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Let's take one more example. If I have 6 and I am adding that 6, let's say 5 times. So the same number I added 5 times, I will write it as 5 times 6, which is equal to 30. Right? This is how we form a multiplication statement by using repeating additions. Now, along with this, you all must have also come across a strategy that we use in addition, that is a double strategy. What do we mean by double strategy? Adding the same number twice, like 2's double is 4, 3's double is 6, then we have 5's double which is 10, and we have 12's double which is 24. Right? This strategy, this double strategy, we are going to use to form a times table. Doubles is easy, right? Adding the same number twice. Okay? Now let's see how to use this to form times table of 2, 4 and 8. Now 2's table is very easy for everyone, right? It's all even numbers and it's a skip count of 2. So to write a 2's table is like very much easy for all the childrens. Even a small kid of 5 years can form a table of 2. So we are going to use this 2's table as our basis to form the table of 4 and 8 by using the double strategy. So before that, I'll just write down the table of 2 for you all. 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 6 12, 2 times 7 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18 and 2 10s is 20. Okay. Sorry. Now let's see. Since we know that 4 is a double of 2, all the multiples of 2, when you double, you will get all the multiples of 4. Okay? We are going to keep that in mind, that we are going to use a double strategy here to form a table of 4. Now, as you see that 8 is also a double of 4. So, whatever multiples we get in the 4's table, we are going to double them to write the multiples of 8. Okay, so I am writing the table of 4 now. I am putting all the doubles which I got in the 2's table. So, 2's double 4, 4's double 8, 6 double 12, 8 double 16, 10's double 20, 12's double 24, 14's double is 28, 16's double is 32, and then 18's double is 36, and 20's double is 40. So this is how I formed the table of 4 by using the double strategy. Now the same I am going to do for 8. 4's double is 8, 8's double 16, 12's double 24, 16's double 32, 20's double 40, 24's double 48, 28's double is 56, 32's double is 64, 36 double is 72 and 40's double is 80. This is how I use the double strategy to form the table of 8. Easy? Right? You all can try this to form the table of 16, as 16 is a double of 8. So you all might say that it is easy when we have doubles, right? Like 2's double is 4, 4's double is 8. But what to do when we don't have any double? Like suppose, for example, 7. 7 is not a double of anything, right? I mean, not a natural number. It's a double of 3.5, but 3.5 is not a natural number. So, when we want to find the table of 7 or 9, we can use one strategy, which is also a double strategy, but in the table itself. Like everybody knows that any number times 1 is 7 and any number times 10 is the number itself with a 0 at the end. So this is very easy to form in the table, right? So let's form the table of 7 by using the strategy. Now what I'll do is, I'll write 7 times 1 as 7 and 7 times 10 as 70. And in the center, I will write 7 times 5. 5's table is also easy. So everybody knows 7 times 5 is 35. 7 5s are 35. Now 7 2s are. 7 2s are is nothing but 2 7s are. 2's table everybody knows. Even if you don't know, it is nothing but 2 times 7, which is nothing but 2 times you are adding 7. And 7 plus 7 is 14. So we can write 14 here. Now once you know 2 times 7 is 14, we can find 4 times 7 by just doubling this number. So 14's double is 28. So 7 4s are 28. When you know 7 times 4, you can easily find 7 times 8 because 8 is double of 4, right? So 28's double we can put here. Now 28's double again, 8 plus 8 16, 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5. So we can write 56 here easily. Now 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is nothing but you are adding 7 3 times. Already you added 7 2 times here, 14. Add one more 7 to that. So 14 plus 7 is 21. So you can put 21 here. Now once you have found 7 3s are 21, you can easily find 7 6s are, because 6 is double of 3. So 21's double. So 21 plus 21, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 42. So we can put a 42 here. Now we got 7 1s are, 7 2s are, 7 3s are, 7 4s are, 7 5s are, 7 6s are. Now we are left with 7 7s are and 7 9s are. Now again, since we know that 6 7s are 42, we can add another 7 to this to make 49 and add another 7 to this to make a 63, or you can take away 7 from the 70 to get 63. So you can do both the ways. If you are moving down, you will add 7 because this is the 7's table. If you are moving up, you will subtract 7 from the last one. Easy? Let's see how to find the 9's table. 9's table is easiest of all. I'll show you that. So 9's table. Now, to understand 9's table, we'll understand one simple strategy. Suppose I want to add 26 with a 9. Now to add a 9 is a little bit difficult. So instead of adding 9, I will add 10 to this number and then take away 1 because I added an extra 1 here. Instead of adding 9, I am adding 10. So I will take away that extra 1 after I get my answer. Now 26 plus 10 is 36. 36 minus 1 is 35. So basically 26 plus 9 is 35. Now if you see the digits, what is happening here? This 2 is turning 3. That means you are adding 1 in the tens place, and this 6 is getting converted to a 5. So you are taking away 1 from the ones place. So basically you are increasing the digit in the ones in the tens place by 1, and you are decreasing the digit in the ones place by 1. So this strategy itself we are going to see to form the table of 9. 9 ones are 9. Now in 9 ones are 9, you have a 0 in the tens place. So this is your tens place and this is your ones place. So when you are doing the nines table, you are basically going to add 9 each time. Now adding 9 each time is nothing but adding 10 and taking away 1. Now adding 10 and taking away 1 is nothing but you are adding 1 in the tens place and taking away 1 from the ones place, right? So the same strategy we are going to use. So you will add 1 in the tens and take away 1 from the ones. So 0 plus 1, 1, 9 minus 1, 8. So go on increasing your number in the tens place and go on decreasing your number in the ones place by 1. So ones next is 2, 8 smaller than 8 is 7, 2's next number is 3, 7's before number is 6, 3's next number 4, 6 before number 5, 4's next number 5, 5's before number 4, 6, 3, 7, 2, 8, 1, 9, 0, and we are done. This is your table of 9. Isn't it easy? Now once you know the tables from 1 to 9 or 2 to 9, it is very much easy to find other tables by using those tables as your base. Like for example, if you want to find a table of 14, because you know the table of 7 and 14 is 7's double, you can just double all the multiples of 7 to get the multiples of 14. If you know the table of 8, you can find the table of 16 very well, because 16 is a double of 8. So double all the multiples of 8 to find the multiples of 16. If you know the table of 6, you can very easily form the table of 12, as 12 is the double of 6, right? Now let's use this strategy and see how you can form any table within 2 minutes. So for example, let's take a difficult table like 17. Now 17 is a double of nothing, right? So let's take that table and form the table within less than 2 minutes. Okay, so the time starts now. So 17 times 1, we all know. 17 times 5, 17 times 10, we all know, 170. Now again, if you don't know 17 times 5, you know 17 times 10. So just find the half of it. That will give you 17 times 5. How to find half? Divide by 2. 2 8s are 16. 17 minus 16, 1. 0 drop down. 2 5s are 10. So half of 170 is 85. So we'll put 85 here. 17 2s are, we can just add 17 plus 17, which is 34. So we'll write 34 here. So once we found 17 2s are, we can find 17 4s are. 34 plus 34, 68. So this is 68. Once we found 17 4s are, we can find 17 8s are. 68's double, 16, and 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1, 13. So 136. Now we can find 17 3s are by adding one more 17 to 34. So 34 plus 17 is 51. So we'll write 51 here. Once you found 17 3s are, we can write 17 6s are, which is 51's double. Double of 51, 1 plus 1 2, 5 plus 5 10, so 102. Once you found this, you can just add another 17 to 102, which will give you 119. That is your 17 7s are. And we can add another 17 to 136, which will give you 153. So that is your 17 9s are. Done the table with 17. Got it? Very easy. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video and learned something new. Try to form more tables like these by using the same strategy. It will be very easy for you if you know the doubles and the additions very, like if you are very much well versed with the additions, it is going to be very much easy for you to find the answers by using the double strategy. Hope to see you soon, and we'll come with one more new strategy for you all. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like, share and subscribe the channel so that you can get the notifications when I release my next video. Till then, bye bye, see you all and have fun with math. Take care.